Hey guys, I apologize for not uploading in a couple weeks ago. I've been so busy right now. And today we're gonna be looking at the Ornate small Mantel clock, which you could see it is working. That one. And on that one. And happy Valentine's Day. It's Valentine's Day, that one. I think. That one you could see it is running. That one I got as a Christmas present, and then I got from Christmas, which is pretty cool. And then notice that on the movement, see, it has a glass on it. I can't take it off for a while. And then the back, you see the quartz movement because it is running that one. In that case, which you could see, it is quartz movement. That one, the battery cover was working normally, and it has a aluminum wheels. That one, the glass, it's working on them. Something on that was unable to be seen. Which is pretty cool. That one, on that, which you could see the movement works normally. It's died. You could see it's died. I can't do this anymore. I want to try again. You see it works normally. That one looks cool. That one, the back. It's that one has a mirror on it, which is pretty cool. Well, thanks for watching, for being enjoy that one. This one works cool, that one, which is cool. Pretty cool in here, that one works well. Oh, see you then.